Dear learners, welcome back again in our today's session. And today's session we will discuss about the target groups, diverse learners, including marginalized group. So the first we will understand the meaning of marginalized group. What are the marginalized groups? And so basically a marginalized group is a community that is excluded from the mainstream society, often due to their race, gender, sexual orientation, religion, or other characteristics. They may face the discrimination, lack of access to resources and opportunities, and be disempowered. For example, women in a patriarchal society may be marginalized, facing restrictions on their rights, limited access to education and employment, and being undervalued and silenced. Similar racial and other ethnic minorities and individuals and people with disabilities may also be marginalized, facing barriers to the equal participation and treatment in the society. So basically, marginalized groups are the communities or population that are systematically excluded from the mainstream. Now, next we are going to discuss about the types of marginalized group. So the first one is racial and ethnic minorities. Example, African, Americans, Latino, and Hispanic communities comes under the category of racial and ethnic minorities. Now, we will discuss about the challenges. So, basically, they face the challenges like a discrimination, racial profiling, limited access to quality education, healthcare issues, and underrepresentation in media and politics. The next one is LGBTQ communities. LGBTQ communities, L stand for lesbian, G stand for gay, B stand for bisexual, T stand for transgender, and Q stand for queer. So these individuals, non-binary and gender non-conforming peoples. These communities also comes under the category of marginalized groups, and the challenges which they face, the first one is discrimination in employment and housing, hate crimes, and lack of legal recognition and protection. The next one is women and gender minorities. Examples, women, transgender individuals, non-binary people. Challenges, gender pay gap, underrepresentation in leadership positions and policies, gender-based violence, and reproductive rights issues they generally face. The next one is people with disabilities. Examples, individuals with physical disabilities, intellectual and mental developmental disabilities, mental health conditions. Challenges which they face, the first one is accessibility barriers, employment discrimination, and inadequate health care services. The next one is socio-economically disadvantaged group. Examples, low-income families, homeless individuals, and the challenges which they generally face. So the first one is lack of access to quality education and health care, food insecurity, housing instability, and higher crime rates. The next one is religious minorities. In our country, there are Muslims, Jain, Sikh, etc. Challenges. They generally face the religious discrimination, hates, crimes, restrictions on religious practices, and underrepresentation in political and social spheres. And the last one is immigrant and refugees. For example, undocumented immigrants, refugees, and asylum seekers. First, let's understand about the immigrants. Immigrants are the people who leave their house, who leave their nations to settle permanently in another country, seeking for the better opportunity and a new life. And the second one is refugees, people forced to flee their house, nation due to war, and natural disaster. The next one is asylum. Asylum is basically people seeking a safety and protection in another country. And the challenges which they generally face, the first one is legal and economic instability, language barriers, discrimination, and limited access to services and support. Now next, we are going to understand about the importance of addressing marginalized groups. So the first one is social justice and equality, ensuring all individuals have equal access to resources, opportunities, and rights. And next is addressing historical and structural inequalities to create a fair society. The second one is economic development. Inclusive economic policies can lead to increase the productivity and innovation. Marginalized groups often have a unique skills and perspectives that can contribute to economic growth. The third one is health and well-being, reducing the health disparities by improving access to health care for marginalized population and promoting mental health and well-being through the supportive policies and programs. Next one is political stability and democracy, ensuring all the voices are heard and represented in the decision-making process. Promoting the inclusive governments to build a trust and cooperation among the diverse population. The last one is social cohesion and harmony, reducing the social tension and conflicts by promoting the understanding and respect among the different groups. Build a more cohesive society where the diversity is celebrated and valued and welcomed. Now, next one is strategies to support the marginalized group. What are the strategies? So the first one is policy, enacting laws and policies that protect the rights of marginalized groups, implementing affirmative action and anti-discrimination measures. Second one is education and awareness, promote the diversity and inclusive through educational programs, raising the awareness among the society about the challenges faced by the marginalized groups. The third one is community engagement and empowerment, supporting grassroots organization and community initiative, empowering the marginalized individual to participate in decision-making process. The next one is access to resources, improving the access to quality education, healthcare, housing, and employment opportunities. And the second one is providing the social service and support networks for marginalized population. The last one is advocacy and representation, encouraging the representation of marginalized groups in media, politics, and a leadership position, advocating for policies that address the specific needs of marginalized community. Thank you.